Mr. Pope will reach out to you soon. Dump him!
This is Pope letting us know. He's the one who decides who lives and dies.
I think that's the last of it. Shower head's leaking. I'll have Chucky come by tomorrow and change the washers.
Thanks.
I know how hard it was to admit that today. I'm glad you came clean. No one's gonna vote you out.
It's out of my shaky little hands.